Go to a conference, you collect this huge stack of business cards, and then what happens? They get lost, they get forgotten, or they just turn into desk clutter. Well, today, we're gonna look at a really slick solution to that exact problem. It's called Purse, and it's all about bringing the classic business card into the 21st century. No, but seriously, think about it for a second. That pocket full of amazing new connections you just made, a week later, half of them are in a drawer somewhere, or maybe on the floor of your car, or just gone. Just think, how many valuable contacts have we all lost just because of a little piece of paper? So here's our game plan. First, we'll dig into what I'm calling the paper jam problem. Then, we're gonna meet the solution, Purse. We'll see its crazy fast 10-second transformation, check out its networking superpowers, and then I'll walk you through exactly how you can get started. All right, first up, the paper jam problem. This is all about the hidden headaches, the wasted time, and the missed opportunities that come with relying on physical business cards in a world that's, well, completely digital. And this slide just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? On one hand, you've got the old way, all that tedious manual typing, the constant fear of losing a key contact, and lugging around a wallet stuffed with paper. And on the other hand, the Purse way. You get an instant scan, your contacts are securely saved, and they're always with you, right there on your phone. The difference is night and day. Which, of course, brings us right to our next section. Let's officially meet Purse, the digital wallet that's built to get your contacts digitized and ready to go in a snap. This is where things get really interesting. So, what is this thing exactly? Simple. Purse is a free web app, and it uses AI to do one thing really, really well. It takes a physical business card and turns it into a digital card for your phone's wallet. The whole point is to kill the hassle and make sure you never lose a connection again. The entire idea, the whole philosophy, can be boiled down to just 3 words: scan, save, share. That's it. That's the entire process, and it's built to be as fast and simple as possible. Okay, now for the really fun part, the 10-second transformation. This is where we get to peek under the hood and see the magic. How some seriously powerful AI turns a flimsy piece of paper into useful data, like instantly. And the process, honestly, couldn't be easier. Step 1, you just scan the card with your camera or upload a picture you already took. Step 2, Google's Gemini AI jumps in and starts pulling out all the important info, the name, phone number, email, whatever's on there. And finally, step 3, one tap, and boom, it's in your Apple Wallet, or you've got a QR code ready to share. It's just that seamless. And the result of that whole process? 10 seconds. That's it. In less time than it takes to find a good spot for a card in your wallet, you can have that contact locked in, saved, and secure forever. So let's move on and see what this all adds up to. Let's talk about your networking superpowers. We're going beyond just scanning and saving here. We're looking at the features that really give you an edge and upgrade how you manage your professional network. The tech at the heart of it all is built for 2 things: accuracy and flexibility. It uses Google Gemini for that super smart scanning. But hey, you can also upload a photo you took earlier, or even just type in the details yourself. No matter how the info gets in, the goal is always the same: perfectly accurate data every single time. And look, getting info in is one thing, but getting it out is just as important, right? That direct Apple Wallet integration, it's a game changer for iPhone users. It's so smooth. But for everyone else, you get a unique QR code, a shareable link, or you can just download a standard vCard file that works with pretty much any contact list out there. It's all about making sharing totally frictionless. The app is also designed to keep you organized. You can swipe through your contacts like you're flipping through cards in a real wallet, which is kind of cool. Or you can see everything all at once in a grid and use search and filters to find exactly who you're looking for. It's just super intuitive right from the get-go. So, at this point, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I try this thing? Well, let's jump into our final section: how to get started. And trust me, creating your first digital card is literally just moments away. There are just 2 plans, nice and simple. The free plan is, you guessed it, completely free. Then for the power networkers out there, maybe you're at a huge trade show, the premium plan gives you unlimited cards and some priority support. The only real difference is how many cards you can make each month. But let's just focus on this number for a second: 5. With the free plan, you can create 5 of these digital cards every single month without paying a dime. It's the perfect way to really try it out, see how it works for you, with absolutely 0 commitment. And getting started couldn't be more straightforward. You just head over to persononline.com. All you need is your name, email, and a password to create an account. That's it. No credit card, no complicated setup, you're in. You know, I want to end on the company's vision because I think it really wraps this whole thing up perfectly. Their goal is to make networking frictionless by bridging the gap between physical business cards and the digital world. See, it's not about replacing that human connection, it's about making it better with smarter technology. So, all of this leads to one big final question: is this the end of the paper business card? Maybe not entirely, but you gotta admit, tools like PERS are definitely changing the game. They're making us rethink how we capture and, more importantly, keep our most valuable connections. So, what do you think?